Hello YouTube, so happy to be back with you. Today I am going to show you a clan war attack in which I have 3 starred a town hall 9 with the go V5 strategy, which is golems, P.E.K.K.A.s, wizards, witches, barbs, and a couple of and many wall breakers actually. So I've used all troops max level, and I didn't do this attack in find a match. I did it in a clan war because my clan was really needing it. So yeah, I wanted to show it to you because I thought it's pretty good. So I was like, I have to show this, and so yeah, let's go. In a moment I'll show it to you. This was 2 hours ago, and it was a close war. We won. Haven't lost in a long time. Not bragging, but yeah, that's true. So yeah, so there. First of all, we attack. First of all, 2 golems up top. 1 rage spell so that they go through the wall. 2 wall breakers to break through that level 8 wall, and they go through easily. 1 rage spell. That's so that the golems do work and they speed it up. That's the clan castle. It had 3 archers, the rest wizards, and then I dropped all the wizards in a single line so that they go straight inside the base. The mortar is the main enemy out there which can splash damage my wizards, but the wizards really pound over the mortar, and that is destroyed. Now is the real time to deploy the P.E.K.K.A.s. We have his clan castle coming out, but don't worry, we have a lightning spell to deal with them. We took 4 rage spells and 1 lightning spells, so there we go. And yeah, the clan castle is dealt with. The P.E.K.K.A.s are inside the base. They're gonna take the town hall in no time, and we should have the town hall. There we have the town hall. I still have to deploy 1 P.E.K.K.A. There he is. He's coming in, and there are 2 Teslas on the P.E.K.K.A. That's why I decided to drop the rage spell on him so that he can destroy the Tesla. The P.E.K.K.A. decided to go the other way, but never mind. They dodge 1 Tesla because they go the other way. So the other Tesla, and they're going to destroy it after they destroy the X-Bow. Once that is done, most of the base is gone. There's hardly any defenses left. The only main thing destroying the P.E.K.K.A. at the moment is that wizard tower, and once they go on the other side, the main thing to destroy it is the Tesla and the wizard tower. So we need to destroy those. At the side we have the witch and the minions that the witch has summoned doing work. So 1 last rage spell over there. So my P.E.K.K.A. speeds things up. So because I didn't want myself to run out of time, so I did that. And I'm soon going to drop my king on the bottom right here, and there he goes. So I did that because I was running low on time, and he is going to destroy basically everything. So now there's not much of the base left, just 3 defenses and a couple of gold storages and elixir pumps over there. And the king, he is going to go through the wall right about now. The wizards have destroyed the wizard tower, as well as they're going to destroy the Tesla. So my P.E.K.K.A. out there inside is not going to take much damage. All the defenses at the moment are down. We only have 1 elixir storage and we have 2 gold storages, and this should be pretty easy. I'll just speed it up because there's nothing much in it. So you should just go around and they destroy the remaining of the base. So this is the army that I used. 2 golems, 10 wall breakers, 1 barb, 3 archers, 23 wizards, 2 witches, 3 P.E.K.K.A.s, 1 king, 4 rage spells and 1 lightning spell. These troops are inclusive of the clan castle that I use. These are all max level troops. They do great damage, but if you're a lower town hall, I still suggest that you can do this because it really works. Thank you for watching.